So guys, my question for today is what will the $100 a day change in your life? As for me, $100 a day will change a lot of things for me, because $100 times 7, which is like 700 a week, it will change a lot of things because I will have more time, more freedom, more time to go and see a lot of cool things out there, a lot of testing, a lot of cuisines, a lot of sightseeing. As a matter of fact, I couldn't believe that in this time, like last year in 2023, I used to work at this job where I was starting 8 o'clock in the morning, finishing 6 o'clock, and guess how much I was getting? Less than $10 a day, because if I put it in rands, it was somewhere like 130 a day, and if I remove the 25 rand for transport, I was working for like 80 something rand per day. Can you imagine? Now you're getting the opportunity to earn at least 100 US a day. So which means a lot of things can change in your life. By the way guys, we only have like 13 days for me to pay for your website fee if you purchase any package from me, which is the $100 or the $300. The sale is running until the end of July. So if you want to get your hands on this, then save $29 for website fee and put that $29 on your email, professional email, because right now the professional email is a must. Because back when I purchased my program, my course, it was not compulsory, or it was not a must, it was optional, but now it's a must. You must have a professional email. So at least I'm going to save you the $29 for the website, then you can put that one on your domain into your professional email. So if you're interested and you want to know more about this $100 blueprint, then you can just comment in the comment section yes, then I'll give you all the details that you need to have.